Alrighty guys, good afternoon. So I went and checked on the Softgloss XS over here at the Come and Go. It is still sadly out of service. I did get a small clip of me walking in there, but it's a short clip since I had a guy walk up on me and I thought I was going to get caught. We're going to check out now the Super Clean car wash next door. It looks as though one of their bays got replaced by something different here. At least it looks like it, because you had two WashWorlds, now you have, what is that? I think I found a Petit AccuTrac 360. They replaced a WashWorld Razor with an AccuTrac 360. Yep. Wow. That's different. Alright, well, I got a new car wash for you guys today. How about that? You have, over here you have the original two washes. These were our WashWorld Razors. And you have this new wash here, a Petit AccuTrac 360 with the Super Clean logo on it. So let me get things kicked off here. Woo, I'm getting misted. Like crazy. And it smells very strongly of berry. I like that smell. Just a second. With your wash codes and packages, I can't guarantee any of them what the packages say because it's the new unit, so I cannot tell you what exactly this wash is going to give us.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. When the wash is ready, thank you. Please go forward slowly into the wash.
You got the weight light on? This thing looks nuts. Sorry for the shaky hands, guys. I've got, I guess, lack of... Oh my god, that was fast! Within 2 minutes of me driving towards this wash, it's already done. Yeah, we got ourselves a Petit AccuTrac 360. It's already telling me to pull forward into the bay. Originally, I think these used to be old. There might have been Ryko something, but anyway, that was back in the early 2000s, like 2008 or so, maybe before then. Now we have a AccuTrac 360. Check that out. Start off with our side panel blasters here. Well, boys, my car needs this. There's a little bit of a light show to start off with too. That's cool. In bright red. There we go. A Petit AccuTrac 360. This is my very first one of these. And that's a very good coating of pre-soak. Holy crap! Get the back window here. If I can get to. Yeah, there we go. Sorry for the fuzzy. It's coming back for another pass. I guess it's a high pressure rinse now. Yeah, enjoy the light show. I guess I might have to put an epilepsy warning on here. Foam bath. That I know for a fact the old wash did not have. God, oh, I like that. It is shaking the car. Oh my God. This is a night and day difference compared to what we had. Is this on polish and protectant? This is polish? Oh my gosh. No, it's not my shaky hands this time. This is the how you power the wash. And now for spot free. I'm gonna go ahead and fire my car up. It's still rocking my car. This thing is so weird. I like it. And wow. That's amazing. Way to go, AccuTrac 360. Dryer time spazzed out, it just says 88, so. Dryers seem to be doing alright. These are the dryers, I believe, from the original WashWorld units. Yeah, we got Premier dryers. Yeah, this turned out well. Yeah, I tell you what, for what this car used to be and what it is now, this eclipses its previous issues. I'm going to pull into one of these vacuums here because I need to vacuum my car out. And then we'll stop there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me just pull up here real quick. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.